YouTube today. Well, this is Alan McCormick performing my first video right now. But, well, you might know me from Brock's channel, Brock Furley, or Henry's channel, the 11 battery. But today we're pretty much going to be doing a video on scrapping, and I'm going to be with my grandma today. I mean my grandpa. But yeah, this is him right here.
Hi YouTube, my name's Mike. How are you today?
So, yeah. So, I'm going to get to you guys when we're ready to scrap. So, we're ready to scrap right now, but here's the whole garage that we pretty much keep all of our stuff in. You got a blowtorch.
Hey, what we're doing is I'm sweating some copper pipes. A buddy of mine gave me some copper yesterday, but it's got brass on it. And to get the most out of it, we got to take the brass and the copper and separate it. And all we're using is a MAP gas torch. We heat it up and melt that solder, and we separate it that way.
Hopefully you understood all that. But the best thing that my grandpa likes to do is collect pennies and sort them. His favorite types are copper pennies from pre-82, and the zinc ones he sells that to banks. Oh, he's using blowtorch.
We're doing another piece, melting some solder. This MAP gas works real well. There we go, that one's done.
And the brass looks so smooth on that too. So I'm just going to be giving you guys a tour of the driveway and stuff, but here's the basketball goal. Where it has a little bit of rust on it, but we might try to get that off. I don't know if we will. Here's some cans and stuff. Here's our grandpa's little table. Yeah, and our favorite soda is definitely Mountain Dew. Also, we found a wheel bug on this bench one time, and that is one of the most rare bugs in America. Like, I don't know how much people see them each year, but they only lay like 1, 2, or 3 eggs in the winter. And I don't know if they hatch or not, but it was great to see that. Here's the trailer. Here's van. This is what we use to take stuff down. This van right over here, we don't really take it down that much, but we use it sometimes. Well, it's only my grandpa who uses it, but hopefully I get to ride on one day. Okay, we are back in the garage.
Just getting ready to do another piece here, guys.
Okay. So, for some reason that's satisfying. I don't know why. But if you even know what this thing is right here, please put that in the comment section below. But yeah, we got some strong magnets here too. This one right here. We got this. We got, oh shit. Okay, this one was stuck to it right here. We got this magnet right here, and you pull it up pretty much. That's how some magnets work. And we got this one, which is the strongest magnet we got here. I don't get how it's the strongest if it's the smallest though. Well, that don't matter though. We're getting ready to do another piece right here. We got some green fire too. Some of the highest fire on Earth. but we're getting close to the end of the video. But tell us if we should like post once or twice a week, and if you think so, then post chocolate fudge in the comment section. But thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day. But don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If we can reach around like 20 likes today, we'll do another video. Bye.